Hello, guys, and lovely followers. Welcome back again to Get Data Solution. We have started data quality standards, and previously we have discussed validity, and today we will deal with reliability. So let's start with reliability. As usual, let me actually just pick it, uh, delete this, and start from the scratch. Let us start from its definition. So reliability is defined like this one: the degree to which data is consistent and reproducible over time. That is what reliability is. So let's discuss the questions. Just before that, we have tried to standardize those questions across all the standards, but you will not find that in many of the organization such a standard. There are different questions under different standards. So we have just improved that part by standardizing the questions so that the result will be actually reflect the right trend. So let's start from reliability. As I've said, the reliability is the degree to which data is consistent and reproducible over time. So here are the questions that we have used, we have developed actually to represent reliability. So the first one is, has the project developed standard data collection tool or format or registry form to track this indicator to be used by all service delivery? That means, remember, our indicator is also the previous one, indicator number one. So for that, do we have a standard data collection tool? If we have that one, we can say yes completely, otherwise we can say it partly. Since we have it, let me select yes completely. The next one is there data collection tool field or documented and available for the indicator? We have seen that during our verification, we have seen both the report and the data sources. So we have it. So I can say yes completely. But if this indicator is not filled and documented, and if the data is not available, we may opt for other options. The third question is the same tool or source document on reporting format used to collect data on this indicator from quarter to quarter? So is there a trend to use the same format used from quarter to quarter, or in other words, is there a consistent data collection tool? So if that is there, we can say yes completely. Otherwise, we can actually say partly, or otherwise other options based on the available data. So remember that for all the questions we have to refer an evidence. Evidence is must. We have to actually see evidence. Always evidence is to have evidence is a must. So we have to look to the evidence. The other question is the same tool source document reporting format used to collect data on this indicator between service delivery sites? Let's say if there are actually different branches, or if the source of the document is coming from different branches, or uh, different reporting entities, are they using the same reporting format? If that is the case, we can say yes completely. Yes completely. Otherwise, we may say partly. So the next question is, are all source document and reporting forms and report relevant for measuring the indicator properly filed, stored, and readily available for auditing purpose and data quality assessment. In the previous during verification, we have seen both report and source document, except that it is underreported. So there is a data filed and stored properly and available for data quality. So we can say yes completely. So let's go back to the final report and see the result for reliability. So reliability is now on top of the score. So that is how we can check data quality standard for reliability. Thank you very much, and we'll meet again on the next standard.